demal si corner bi fele. See this other side. Dooral bi dafa dem ko.
Working the both sides of it, up and down it. He said where that fence stops, that's where the compound ends. So all this part of the main road side. That's why they provoke it. Fence is at the roadside, so they will bring it down.
Almasi aja.
He said the fence is at the roadside. Taxawee sama kanam di nga génne de soo taxawee sama kanam di nga génne.
Waaw mooy jàmbaar.
Mbaa si kaw tale bi like soppi yu nga xamante ne ñoo si kaw tale bi dañuy génne si yoon bi wala nga am chaos ne wa nga move foofu noonu nga dem pour place wala jaaykat yi ñu dee nekkal si mbedd bi dañ dee waggaa ñu dem si marché bi ut fu ñuy jaayee parce que tali bi nekkul jaayee kay la amee chaos dana wala nga move foofu noonu parce que tali bi moom gee nekkul oto rek la ñu ñëpp la waaye dafa war a fëli tamit dem jaaykat yi ñu ngi laal seen jaay yi xam nga loolu tam neexu dafa métti nag so opération bi loolu waral opération bi so nañ ngir yàlla rek support ko the peace because Gambia is a peaceful country let's support it with good hearts. So building bi dafa jege yoon bi oto yi mu ngi provoke this is so close to the road as you can see it that's why it provoke it so the owner should know that this one is close to the road. Illegal structure, illegal attachment is not accepted. There are stuff inside, then you should wait for the owner to come and remove the stuff inside. But he provoked it. shop I can say, but he's not around. So he provoked it. About the shop close to the road side. He was trying to check what inside the shop because the operation clear the road is still going on.
Vai no provocou tudo, né?
You're right.
So stay tuned guys, this is Nice Gambia. If you are new to the platform, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So here they're gonna provoke it because it's not far from the road. If you can see it, there are tables here because they always ask them to park their properties and leave the main road side. So if you happen to leave your properties at the roadside, when they came, they destroy. And as you can see what they are doing, because on Monday we were here to tell them to park everything and leave the roadside.